How smart are chimpanzees? How good are they at climbing, and why do they look so human? Stay tuned to find out. Welcome. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Today is Safari Saturdays, and we will discover chimpanzees, the smartest ape in the world. Have you ever wondered what animal is strong enough to swing from tree to tree, smart enough to solve puzzles, and cheeky enough to throw food, or even poop when annoyed? That's the chimpanzee. Chimpanzees are some of the most fascinating animals on Earth, and they share many similarities with us humans. In fact, scientists say that chimpanzees share about 98 to 99% of their DNA with people, which makes them our closest relatives in the animal world along with bonobos. Chimpanzees don't look exactly like us, but you can definitely see the resemblance. They have long arms that reach down almost to their knees, strong shoulders for climbing, and hands that can grip just like ours. Their faces are bare, with expressive eyes, and they often show their feelings with smiles, frowns, and even laughter. Their bodies are covered in dark brown or black hair, though their faces, ears, and fingers are bald. Unlike humans, they have opposable toes as well as opposable thumbs, which means they can grab things with both their hands and their feet. Imagine being able to hold a pencil with your toes just as easily as with your fingers. One of the most amazing things about chimpanzees is their size and strength. Adult males usually weigh between 40 and 70 kilograms, which is about 90 to 150 pounds, while females are smaller at around 27 to 50 kilograms or 60 to 110 pounds. They stand about 1 to 1.7 meters tall, which is 3 to 5.5 feet, but don't let their size fool you. Even though they are shorter than most humans, chimpanzees are much stronger for their weight. Scientists estimate that they are at least 2 to 3 times stronger than an average adult human. This incredible strength allows them to climb tall trees with ease and defend themselves from predators. Chimpanzees are also famous for their intelligence. They can use tools, which is something only a handful of animals can do. In the wild, chimps pick up sticks, strip off the leaves, and use them to fish termites out of their mounds. They crack nuts open with stones, dip sponges made of chewed leaves into water to drink, and even sharpen sticks into spears to hunt smaller animals. They also have excellent memories and can remember where fruit trees are located even after many months. Their ability to problem solve, cooperate, and even plan ahead makes them some of the smartest animals on Earth. Chimpanzee families are called communities, and these groups can be anywhere from 20 to more than 100 individuals. Within the group, there are strong bonds, fights, and friendships, much like in human societies. The leader of the group is usually a dominant male, called the alpha male, who earns his place through strength, clever alliances, and sometimes by being generous and kind. Communication is very important for chimpanzees. They make over 30 different sounds, ranging from loud pant hoots that echo through the forest, to soft grunts that tell each other it's safe to eat. They also use facial expressions, hugs, kisses, and grooming to show affection and trust. Young chimpanzees, just like human kids, are playful, curious, and full of energy. Baby chimps are born weighing about 1.8 kilograms, or 4 pounds, and they cling tightly to their mothers for the first months of life. As they grow, they start to ride on their mother's back, and later play with other young chimps by chasing, wrestling, and swinging from branches. They need their mothers for food, safety, and teaching until they are at least 5 years old, though they continue learning from the group for many years. Childhood in chimpanzees is one of the longest in the animal kingdom, second only to humans. Chimpanzees live in forests and savannas across Central and Western Africa. They prefer areas with plenty of trees where they can climb, build nests, and find food. At night, each chimp builds a nest out of leaves high in the trees, almost like a hammock, to sleep safely away from predators like leopards. They eat a wide variety of food, including fruit, leaves, nuts, seeds, insects, and sometimes even small animals. Their favorite treat is ripe fruit, and they can eat hundreds of different species of plants depending on where they live. Kids often like to hear about the funny and gross sides of animals, and chimpanzees definitely have a few. They sometimes throw sticks, food, or even poop when they are angry or trying to scare rivals. They pick bugs out of each other's hair and eat them during grooming, which might look gross to us, but is considered bonding time for chimps. When they get excited, they can scream, drum on tree trunks with their hands and feet, and even do wild charging displays. Watching a chimp community can sometimes look like watching a rowdy classroom filled with kids who can climb walls and shout really loud. Even though chimpanzees are strong and smart, they are sadly endangered. Habitat loss, hunting, and diseases spread by humans are major threats. Conservation groups are working hard to protect them, and many national parks and sanctuaries have been created to keep them safe. By learning more about chimpanzees, people can better understand just how similar they are to us and why they deserve our protection. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.